about to check this place out.
Yeah. Thank you, Lonnie. Oh my god, it's like an alien. Whoa! This is so cool. Oh my god, I like it already.
This place is crazy. And it's so crazy. Oh no.
We have an optional 2-hour gameplay available for purchase underneath the red arrow. Come on in. Have a great time.
Thank you.
So we're in a grocery. It is so cool.
These are vegan donuts, vegan cupcakes. That's crazy.
Attention Omega Mart shoppers. Have you ever wondered what added value pumped into your products? We've taken
Oh, this is the one. These are cucumber and you can actually do this.
Ooh. Now everything is what they have here.
That is so cool.
Pretty much. You gotta like pay really close attention.
It was so cool. I wonder if this bites.
Actually pretty cool. It's a store, but it's not a store, but it is a store.
Oh my god, meats of the world.
Hey there, shoppers. We've got our eye on you. And you welcome our roast beef.
Meow wolf. Dehydrated water. Alright.
There's nothing in it. Canned peaches.
Tattoo chicken.
Tattoo chick. Oh.
Saw the commercial for that.
Really? 4 p.m. Oh, really?
Oh, this one. Whoa. Alright, let's go. Hey, you know what? That's a good idea.
Oh. What are those?
I don't know, but they're cool. They're like little ice monsters.
Where are they? They're inside?
They're in there.
Oh, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shoot, this is hard. Hold on. Ooh.
The first step in any revolution is
Hi.
This is cool. This way?
It's like water. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, dang. This is really cool.
Oh, wow. your eyes go crazy.
Oh, Dean, this is amazing. So cool, huh?
Right?
Oh, wow. Huh? No, there's a door there. Here. There's a door here.
Oh yeah.
The loxophone. Oh, you can reach it. There.
I'm touching. What are you doing? I'm touching.
You see the details of the nose and stuff? Dang. That was so cool. Oh my god. Ah. Oh. Oh my god. Oh no, it's giving me headache.
That's it. Yeah. Take the wall. Take the wall.
Oh, this is us.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god, yeah, it's giving me headache.
My eyes weren't hurting.
See?
Oh.
It's actually really cool.
This was gonna be cool.
Yeah, it is. Hi.
This elevation inspired reflection on and I'm proud to introduce
That hypnotizing.
the Future Potential Today initiative, a 3-point plan for continued innovation, inspiration, and neo-synergy.
Achievement. A sophisticated bioreceptor synthesized by a neurotransmitter means an indirect echo. One who is uniquely prepared to ensure the new combination.
Plants? Woo! It's actually so cool. Look at baby, you go first. You're gonna fit. You will fit.
Go in.
Yeah?
Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Jesus.
You okay?
Yeah.
Fuck, there were stairs, guys. Yeah, there were stairs. It's a cave.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a cave.
Ooh. That was fun. Okay. I didn't know we're going hiking.
I didn't know we're going rock climbing.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That took a lot of me.